Hi, this is our nevae channel. So I'm doing a prank on Rhea, and it's gonna be so epic because I'm gonna act like I'm not gonna put a spoon microwave, but she'll probably come at that time. So I'm gonna be as loud as I can so she can hear me. So let's go. Alright. So hey guys, today I'm doing an experiment where I put water in a glass and I put it in the microwave. Ooh, for about 30 seconds now.
What are you doing?
Then we wait.
What are you doing? Why are you heating up water? In a glass cup? What is wrong with you? Move!
No! I just want to drink the water. I like hot water.
Okay, stop it.
Okay.
She's fine as long as she's not blowing her up. It's gonna burn her, stupid. Glass. What? If you put glass in a microwave, it gets hot. I mean, it doesn't. She only did it for a minute. What are you doing, Raylan? Are you doing a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay. What type of what?
Just move.
Kids, I tell you. Okay.
Alright, now we're
Rachel, walk up for me.
Salt. We got a big batch of salt, and this one doesn't work, so it's gonna be exactly perfect. Now we're gonna mix it up.
You know what? I'm not even about to cook.
Now we're
Got to put it back in
The heck is wrong with you?
I'm just trying to do an experiment.
No.
Why are you talking like that?
You will not kill me or my pigs. No.
Ow!
Don't even put glass in the microwave either. What is wrong with you?
It was an experiment!
No.
It was a class experiment! I had to show this video to my teacher!
Hey, your teacher doesn't want you to put metal in the microwave.
Why do you sound like that though? I mean, like, why? Just why? Let me do an experiment! It couldn't blow it up that bad.
No, I'm telling Rhea, no, you're not gonna, don't touch the metal.
It's fine! Just let me do my experiment and we'll all be fine!
No. You can't do this. No.